Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from Bitmart to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto holdings or just switch platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Crypto.com, and that you have some Litecoin in your Bitmart wallet. Double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Security is key in crypto, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Litecoin balance. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. It's usually easy to spot. Step 2. Select Litecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll need to enter the withdrawal amount. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated costs to ensure you're transferring enough to cover them. Step 3. Now, grab your Crypto.com wallet address. Open the Crypto.com app or website, go to your Litecoin wallet, and copy the address. Paste this carefully into the Bitmart withdrawal form to avoid any errors that could send your funds to the wrong place. Step 4. Review all the details, like the amount, address, and network. Make sure it's the Litecoin network. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. After the transfer, head back to Crypto.com and check your wallet. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the Litecoin to show up, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't arrive, don't panic. Just check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Litecoin. Always stay vigilant with your crypto to protect against scams. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.